So Google strikes back. This version is better than DeepSeek according to the benchmarks, but I don't tend to trust benchmarks, but I tried it and it's honestly pretty good. It's open source and it's free. Not like OpenAI. And it looks good, and it has a lot of models here, including this image generation thing, which I will cover also as well. But this Gemma here, it's really, really powerful. First of all, how to get here, just Google for Google AI Studio. It's gonna be this one, so Google AI Studio, and you're gonna land on something like this, and here you can choose the models. There's a lot of those models, and each one in particular does a certain thing. Today, I will explore a few things in which you can, just make some money, some side hustle for yourself. It's not gonna be a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm tired of that. I'm tired of people just telling you, all right, you can just get this and then you're gonna get thousands of dollars the next week. Something like that doesn't exist. Never in my life I saw something, to get something without doing anything. But with this and with some patience and with some dedication, you can do it. So apart from chatbots, which is going to be more complicated, there is a strategy which you can do, which involves content creation. But content creation, which is going to serve a higher purpose. So let me just show you what I mean. Just as an example, I took this product from Amazon, right? And I just copied the link of the Amazon product, this portable monitor. And I just pasted the link. Here it is, just like it is. So just pasted the link, and what Gemma did here is, firstly, it analyzed the link, right? So it analyzed what is the product in question, what are some of the pros, what are some of the cons, who is this monitor good for, and then the overall suggestion, right? Now, what I did, the next thing that I did is I asked it, can you create a short ad copy for this product? Now, this is where things become really, really good. It gives you few of these options. The first option is short and sweet for social media. The second option is for website or ads. And the third option is for targeted ads. Also, it gave me one more, and it is for search ads. A really good thing about Gemma is that you can talk to it in natural language, right? No need to be prompt savvy or to just write long prompts, whatever. And it's the same way for image generation. You can just edit the image just by chatting with it, right? So it is pretty good, but just take a look at one more option here. Down there, you have this. So to help me refine the ad copy further, tell me, where will this ad be displayed? Who's the target audience? And what is the main goal of the ad? Now, I just told it, I will use it on social media. Target audience is remote workers. This is, of course, going to depend on the product you choose. And I want to drive sales. And of course, it's going to give you the better response. This time, it gave me two options. One is for Facebook or Instagram, and the other one is for TikTok and Instagram, which is like more visually focused. Now, you probably see where I'm going with this one. I like using Amazon affiliate program, right? I like using Amazon Associates, but if you don't have access to it in your country, you can use Temu nowadays. They have really good affiliate program as well. And if you don't want to develop chatbots, which are so in demand, and some of these prices on the internet, it's just crazy. There's really good money to be made with this one. And if you don't want to write content like SEO blogs, even though this is in a huge demand as well, well, affiliate marketing is going to be for you. Okay, what's the reason? Why do I suggest this? Well, it's an easy thing to do in a nutshell. It's not hard to find the product, to make content based on it, and to just post it on social media. There is one part of it which is going to be hard, and that is staying consistent, right? And that's what I always say to people. Consistency over time wins. All of these other people that you see that are successful in whatever area they're working in, they're just consistent with it. They just show up every day and they just do the same thing over and over again for a long period of time, and that's called success, right? Nothing else. You don't need special talents. AI tools are there for you. You just have to be there. That's it. So let's just explore this option. With Gemma, you already have half of the work done, right? So you have the ad copy. Now, you can just go and copy and paste all of these and just have a look at this. They give you a place for your affiliate link here. So link to Amazon. This is really neat. So if you want to use Facebook, all you gotta do is to take a picture from Amazon, from that product, and then just copy and paste this and do it over and over again on Facebook or Threads or Twitter, X, whatever, because this is written content, which, took 1 or 2 minutes to produce with Gemma. On the other hand, if you want to use videos, if you want to use pictures with this, there are 2 options. You have one tool, which is called AI. I'll show you that in a minute. And there's another one, which is called Verbo. I'm not affiliating for any one of these. I don't care which one you're going to use. You can just Google for them. But I would use videos only for one platform, which is, kind of forgotten, and it's called Pinterest. Why do I use Pinterest? Well, Pinterest has a lot of traffic. First of all, that's the most important part. 1.3 billion each month. Another reason is that if you explore, and let's just stick to these portable monitors like this. Well, on Pinterest, there's not a lot of videos, and we know that videos can generate more attention, and you're just gonna get more attention with videos than you're gonna get with just pictures. And you can see only one video here on the front page, right? Down there's gonna be some more probably, but as you can see, mostly pictures. So the strategy is to make videos about these products, put them over on Pinterest, and then just move all of that traffic to your Amazon links, right? Sounds simple? Well, it is simple. The first tool that I was telling you about is called OSSA, and you can just Google for it. It is OSSA.ai, and you can start for free on this one. And all you gotta do is to choose a voice, choose a style here. I use hyperrealism most of the time, and then you just have to paste the content there. That is the script. And here you have it. The script is here. Just paste it here. Delete the emojis, I usually do that, and then just click on Create Video button. Now, if you're gonna use this strategy, I'll show you the end result later on, but if you're gonna use this strategy, well, Gemma is your best friend in whatever doubts you have. So whatever you think you don't know, or whenever you have something that is not clear to you, just chat with Gemma. It can help you source the products. It can help you find the best-selling products on Amazon within that niche that you choose. And not only it's going to give you a list of these, but it's going to give you the links for each one of these. So it just saves you a lot of time. You will not second guess, oh, is this product going to be good for me to sell, or is this product going to make me some money? You have, first of all, you've got categories. So there's top overall bestsellers. Then there's budget-friendly options. Then there's higher-end specialty, and this will just depend on your audience and what do you want to sell. That is, what do you want to affiliate for? But there is one thing that you should know about Pinterest, and that is 76% of Pinterest user base is female. So that's going to give you a lot of ideas what kind of products you would promote there. Now, don't let me tell you that you have to use Pinterest. You don't. You can use whatever you want, right? You're free to do so. You can use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Imager, Reddit, whatever. But the most important part is to just check the audience on all of those platforms. For example, on Facebook, there's way much older people now, right? So that's going to give you ideas of what kind of products you want to promote there. But what I learned, and what I still learn, is that with experience, if you just start doing something, it's just going to become more and more clear to you down the road. And the effort that you put into it, into understanding the audience, the products, the content creation, it is going to pay off in the end, because everything will become way, way more easier. And the work that needs 1 hour for you to do now, it's going to become 30 minutes down the road. Here's the end result from OSSA AI.
Your mobile office upgrade is here. Stop struggling with a tiny laptop screen. The InnoView 16 portable monitor gives you the space you need to get things done wherever life takes you. Grab yours now for $169.99 and reclaim your productivity.
What I would do, honestly, I would just remove the price here because it took this AI voiceover too long to say it out. But you can see only the script. I haven't made even one of these images or the subtitles, whatever. So that's the first tool. The second tool is called Verbo. It is Wondershare's Verbo. And what this Verbo does, it has this option. It's called URL to video. And with this one, you can generate content just by pasting in the link from Amazon. So for example, you get the links, you get the products from Gemma, and then you just generate the video with that link. Now, what's this gonna do? Well, it's just gonna take all these pictures here and all the videos from Amazon, and it's just gonna make a little mashup of all of that, and you can put AI avatars there as well. I've got a separate video on it. It's called Wondershare's Verbo Affiliate Marketing, and you can check it out. You don't have to, but you can just go and see what they have to offer. I'm not affiliating with them in this video. You can just go and Google for it and yeah, see for yourself. In the end, this is possible. This is something that anyone can do. If you're ready for it, if you think that this is for you, you can do it. In fact, anybody can. Just invest that time. Forget everything else. Close your social media phones, whatever, and just go do the work. Honestly, it's gonna pay off. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.